as we proceed to the final point on the order of the program, we have inauguration of Saturation Camp and Exhibition Hall. So finally, I like to invite our special guest, Sri S. Kisimio Yunchinger, to inaugurate the Saturation Camp and Exhibition stalls. Thank you all for being here and participating in this significant launch event. Together we will work towards the holistic development of this Kongsa block and make the envision of Sampurna Abhiyan come true. And with a resounding success, we will complete this 3-month.
আজি আমি এস কিসিমিউ এদি খংসা ব্লক দি তো স্পেশাল ব্লক নামরা যাতে আমি সেল দিয়ে লাগা ইটো 사점부요.
무쿠. 안누누베가.
안누누비 죽자. 아?
너무 돼요.
गुसबेरी लगा सी तो हम लोग सब ले दिबो लागियो तो गुसबेरी लगा से सर
가랑 말로 집으라.
You buy everything. You buy everything and go.
You will regret later.
Hello. Hey. Apa tu ni?
Traditional beach. मोटा लास.
It will be traditional batch as
Oh. Huh?
I'll take one.
Okay, you will take. Okay.
Ikuna take me side side dibi na. Itu sa paso ni mo yung puti. Ate itu de lubo na. Aru itu kiman dala so. 400. Ite to rakhi bi dai khan sabon dibi na. Itu paso de mo yung lubo.
아똥을 먹어. 진짜. 저 얼음.
Thomas.
바까와. 그들가.
Sir, I'm thinking of this Mileno.
어서 밀려야 돼.
예, 제3년.
갈랑길의 베이킹 수장.
이거 너
아직은 베이킹 수장다. 아직은 베이킹 수장.
완전 이거
8, 9, 10, 10. 알루 로컬.
쪽 여기 가리 짜고 저 아래 꿀베도 맞아.
저
앞에 잡고
갈랑 루장다 달래. 갈랑. 250. 250. 다릭 슈바 욕장다.
종지가 전부 전부 넣는 거죠? 창로 거 자꾸. 아이를 보시면 되는 거죠. 있는
No. Apples from here. Organic, yeah. Organic apples.
타세.
You want to try egg? Let us try that.
오케이. 저 갈랑 됐어 봐. 저. 아.